A very good morning, dear students. Now, so far we completed the topics like Gram Panchayat, Rural Panchayat, Urban Local Government, all those things. So, next comes the rural livelihood. So, when you heard about the word rural livelihood, generally what comes to your mind? So, what are the activities generally the people who live in the village? What do they carry in order to lead their life, in order to earn the money? So, the word rural is nothing but the village. So, let us learn in this chapter which are the kinds of occupation or the works is being carried out, worked out by the people who are living in the rural areas or in the villages in order to lead their life and in order to earn their basic needs, what they are going to follow the work or they adopt the work in the day-to-day life. So these we are going to learn this in this chapter. Along with that, as you all know, rural livelihood is mainly depends upon which agriculture. So in this agriculture we have various kinds of farmers. Those who have lands, those who have less number of land, that is in the size of land, or some there are few farmers who doesn't have the land and they work with the others farms or the lands and they earn money. So there are basically three kinds of farmers: landless laborers and land laborers, small farmers. So these will be studied in this chapter. So we can say rural livelihood, that is nothing but in the village what are the different kinds of occupation is being carried out by the people and what are the kinds of farmers they are they are in living in the villages, that we are going to study in the rural livelihood chapter. So in today's topic we are going to learn about occupations in a village. So students, generally when you go to the villages, so nowadays everyone used to like to settle in the cities or the towns. But generally when you go to village, you could see all the people will be working in the farms, in the agricultural land, and few people will be carrying out with a bullock cart the transportation of goods which they have grown from in their land and they get into the market. And generally children will also be involved in playing in the natural environment, and even the girls will be helping out in their household work and also the farm work. We see this picture, generally what comes to our mind? So in the village basically their occupation will be they are engaged in the agricultural land. So what are the works they could have carried out? They sow the land, they plow the land, they grow the crops. Once they grow the crops, they harvest it and they sell it. And again, the same routine activities in the agricultural land is going to be continued with the different crops. In between the 2 years, they're going to change the crops. And along with that, what else they work, carry the work like fishing, weaving, blacksmith, poultry farming, plantation of trees, gardening, pot making, then cottage industries, that is making some craft work out of the natural things which they get in the villages. All those things they carry out. So, dear students, Rashmi, a girl, was living in the city. So generally, what happens? When the city people when goes to the village, generally they will go in the summer during the summer vacation or any functions if it is there, or any relatives is going to be called out. So when this Rashmi, as girl, went with their parents to her village, so what kind of experience she has got, she used to explain to her teacher when the teacher asked about the village experience what she had when she went to the village. So she started telling about the village environment, what are the occupations they carry out, how the people are, and which are the kinds of occupations she has done, how was the living in the village made her happy. All these things she started sharing with the teacher. So through this story we are going to learn about what are the different kinds of occupation carried out in village, and how the people are living in the village, and in order to earn the money, which are the activities they are carrying out. Let us see. So people generally like how the urban people carry out self-employment, own shops they will have, and some manufacturing industries they will have, some production units they will have, some hotels, some ITBT companies, software companies will be there, hospitals will be there. In the same way, in the rural areas, what are the occupations? Generally, they carry out. So, in village, agriculture is the main source of income for the people. So, in order to earn livelihood nothing but in order to lead the life, the ways the people carry out to earn the money, they earn the money to lead a life. So, livelihood we can say in short, it is the way to earn the money, how the people is going to earn the money in order to lead their life, or we can say how the way in order to reach their expenses of the day-to-day life, they are going to earn money by carrying out agricultural activities in the village. The agriculture students, the people in the villages also engaged. They also do other occupations, other works like weaving, dairy farming, fishing, pottery making. So these are the occupation generally which will be done by the people in the village or rural areas. So when Rashmi came back from the village to city with their grandparents, from when she came back from from her grandparents' village, that is Telur, her teacher asked her to explain about her experience. How did you spend the time in the village? What was your experience? Can you share the experience of you which you had spent in the village? So she started telling. So she started telling that it was a wonderful experience, ma'am. It was a Telur is a small village in Tamil Nadu. In which state? In Tamil Nadu, Telur is a small village which was visited by whom? Rashmi. So every morning she used to go out for the walking with the grandpa around the village. Generally in the towns what happens, we generally walk in the house by nearby house garden, or we go there is a park will be there or gym will be there. They will go there and will do the work. But in the village, what will they do? They just need to walk in the streets of the villages. So when she started having walk on the streets in the morning, so she could see the people in the large number in the group, in the crowd here and there, and she could see the rushing to their fields. That means the people are work, they are busy in their field work, that is in the agricultural land. And when then they went to the main bazaar, that is market, to eat some sweets, and they had many shops. Generally in the market you will have more than 50 100 shops together.